Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to contact support in Codecademy account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in codecademy.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top navigation bar under your profile section, you will find Help Center. Click on it. Now find any help on this field here. After that, scroll down a little bit until you see this button. This is an AI chat to support you. Type a message here and it can help with your problems. If you are not satisfied with your solutions, please click on some article and scroll down to the bottom and you will see Submit a Request link. Click on that link and fill out your information here. You need to type in your email address, subject, description, and the category for your writing. And you can also attach the file here. After that, click on Submit button. Your request will be sent to Codecademy. So that is how you can contact support in Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.